Good morning from the National Weather Service office in Gaylord. This is your latest hazardous weather briefing for northern lower and eastern upper Michigan. Today is Saturday, March 30th, 2013. Some hazards coming up over the next couple days. I'm still relatively quiet this morning, but as we move through Sunday night and into start of next work week, much colder air will move into the region on strong northwest winds. That will bring the potential for lake effect snow to the snow belts of northern Michigan. And also some gale force wind potential over the nearshore waters of Lake Michigan, Lake Huron, and Whitefish Bay. So certainly some potential for accumulating snow may cause some slick travel. Also watch out, boaters, for those gale force winds. As we get closer, we'll be able to refine where those look most likely. But really a return to more winter-like weather as we hit the end of the weekend and early next week. The weather map early this Saturday morning shows high pressure. Been our recent cause for good weather of late is starting to sag south and east of the region, and that will allow low pressure that's starting to take shape over the plains to move into the area. The weather map come this evening shows that low pressure moving into Wisconsin with a trailing cold front. That will bring a band of showers into the region as early as this afternoon over eastern upper Michigan, and then kind of really holding off until this evening and tonight over northern lower. As precipitation moves in over eastern upper, you could see some rain and snow mixed. Don't expect any accumulations, however, with precipitation gradually changing over to all rain as we move into tonight. That front will pass through the region overnight tonight. Relatively quiet during your day on Easter, maybe a few rain or snow showers, but a secondary cold front seen here Easter evening will usher in a second round of even cooler air, and that will allow the lake effect snow machine to get going. If we look at the weather map come Tuesday, sprawling high pressure over much of the central portion of the country. On its eastern flank, we'll see northwest winds, and those cool northwest winds over the warmer, albeit still pretty chilly, Great Lakes waters will cause the potential for accumulating lake effect snow over the snowbelt regions. So one more warm day today before the unsettled weather kind of returns. Again, that afternoon chance of rain, maybe even mixed with a little bit of snow over eastern upper, really holds off until this evening and overnight over northern lower. You see that cold front pushing through the region tonight. And then down here we could see the cooler air bringing lake effect snow potential for the start of next week, along with gusty northwest winds bringing that potential for gale force winds over the nearshore waters for you boaters out there. This concludes the hazardous weather briefing for this morning. Thanks for listening in. The next scheduled update is expected around 5 p.m. this afternoon.